Learning Channel. playing with delight. W is for watermelon, juicy and cool. X is for xylophone, a musical tool. P is for yo-yo, spinning up and down. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around. Now you know your ABCs, it's been a blast. Sing it one more time, we've learned so fast.